Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Rivian API access using OAuth tokens, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Rivian API access using OAuth tokens, start by registering your application with Rivian's developer portal. Visit the Rivian developer portal and create a new application. Fill in the required fields, including your app name and description. Once you submit your application, you will receive a client ID and client secret. Keep these credentials secure, as they are essential for the OAuth process. Next, determine the appropriate OAuth 2.0 flow for your application. If you're creating a web application, use the authorization code flow. For mobile or desktop applications, consider using the device authorization flow. Now, initiate the OAuth process by constructing the authorization URL. This URL should include your client ID, redirect URI, and any necessary scopes. Direct your users to this authorization URL in their web browsers. After the user grants permission, they will be redirected back to your specified redirect URI. The redirect will include a code parameter in the URL. Capture this authorization code from the URL. Now, exchange the authorization code for an access token. Make a POST request to the Rivian token endpoint, including your client ID, client secret, the obtained authorization code, and your redirect URL. Upon successful validation, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store the access token securely, as you will need it for API calls. If provided, save the refresh token as well, since it allows you to obtain new access tokens without user intervention. Implement a strategy for handling token expiration. Typically, access tokens are short-lived, while refresh tokens are used to request new access tokens. Make sure to refresh the token before it expires to maintain continuous access. With the access token in hand, you can now make authenticated requests to the Rivian API. Include the access token in the authorization header of your API requests. Remember to check the API documentation for the correct scopes and endpoints. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate your Rivian API access using OAuth tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.